Looking for the ultimate trading view indicator for scalping on all time frames? Today I'm revealing a powerful tool that will take your scalping strategy to the next level. Ready to trade faster and smarter? Stick around till the end, you don't want to miss this. We're diving into something that can really change how you see your chart. We're talking about trend lines, but not just any trend lines. We're going to make them easier to understand and use. We all know trend lines are super important, right? They help us see where the market is headed. But let's be honest, drawing them perfectly is tough. You try to spot the highs and lows, connect the dots, and sometimes it just feels like guessing. And if you draw them wrong, your trade might suffer. That's why today we're looking at a powerful tool that removes a lot of that guesswork. We're going to use Euro USD on a 5-minute chart for this example. But here's the cool part. This isn't just for forex. You can use it on crypto, stocks, commodities, you name it. It works on any time frame, whether you're scalping or holding long term. The magic ingredient: trend lines with breaks indicator. This tool is like your personal trend line assistant. It automatically draws trend lines based on pivot points, making your analysis more accurate and efficient. Open TradingView and go to Indicators. Search for trend lines with breaks. Select the one by Lux Algo. Once added, you will see clear trend lines highlighting potential breakout areas. How it helps? Instead of wondering if your trend lines are drawn correctly, this indicator provides clear visual cues to help you make better decisions. This means you can focus on finding profitable opportunities instead of second-guessing your analysis. Now let's optimize the settings. Click the gear icon on the indicator. In the swing detection lookback, set it to 21 for more reliable trend lines. Keep the slope calculation method at default for now. Set uptrend lines to green and downtrend lines to red for easy visualization. To avoid false signals, we'll add the market bias indicator. Go to Indicators and search for market bias. Select it and adjust the settings. Time frame, keep it set to chart. Period, change to 200 to focus on the bigger trend. Turn off H candles and ensure colors are green, uptrend, and red, downtrend. Trading strategy rules. Sell trade conditions. Price must be below the red market bias line, confirming a downtrend. A bearish breakout signal from the trend lines with breaks indicator. Entry trigger, a red signal. Stop loss slightly above the recent swing high or market bias line. Take profit, 1.5 times the risk of the trade. Buy trade conditions. Price must be above the green market bias line, confirming an uptrend. A bullish breakout signal from the trend lines with breaks indicator. Entry trigger, a green B signal. Stop loss slightly below the recent swing low or market bias line. Take profit, 1.5 times the risk of the trade. Ignore all sell signals when in an uptrend. By combining the trend lines with breaks and market bias indicator, we increase our accuracy and eliminate bad trades. This strategy helps traders stay on the right side of the market, reducing unnecessary losses. This is about trading smarter, not harder. Mastering this setup will make a real difference in your results. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and let's keep growing together. Happy trading!